Hi, this is Debbie Gunn for Passion Marketing Online. I just received the best email that I could have gotten all week. And today for me is Friday from my mentor. There's basically three people. The ones that make it happen, the ones that watch it happen, and the ones that wonder what happened. Which one are you? I can honestly say I've sat back and I've watched it happen. I've watched my girlfriends pick me up from the airport one week in a Toyota, and the next week they were picking me up from the airport in a Jaguar convertible. I watched a couple of my girlfriends actually make it happen. I look up to those women. They're my idols because they're close to me. I've known them for 30 years, and it gave me so much pleasure. It gave me so much inspiration to watch them make it in what they were doing in their lives. So in this email that was sent to me from one of my mentors, it basically says, every night before you go to bed, write down 5 things that you must do in order of importance the next day. These aren't goals. These aren't things that you wish were going to happen. These aren't things that you desire to happen, next month. These are things that must take place that one day. For me, tomorrow is Saturday. You're not off on weekends when you're doing network marketing. Any kind of job, you're not off on weekends. Sunday is Sabbath. Yes, you should rest if you're, a religious person. That's what God did. He took Sunday off, which is Sabbath, day of rest. Spend that day with your friends and your family, your loved ones, or even spend that day in silence, whichever way you choose. Tomorrow for me is Saturday. So tonight when I get back from another networking event, I have been out all week, I have to sit down and I have to make a list of 5 things that I must get up and do tomorrow morning. Okay, get in the habit of it. It was a great email. It inspired me to do this video on this particular topic. Okay, so remember to live your life with passion, health, and wealth. Until next time. And don't forget to make that list. 5 things tomorrow morning. When you wake up, you're going to do them and you're going to check them off. Okay?